Excuse me, dito ba yung pila for interview? Hindi ko alam. Dito ba? Opo, dito. Ay, magbabayad kasi ako ng bill namin ng kuryente. Ano ba naman yan?
Okay na ba yung mga applicants natin?
Yes, ma'am.
Sige po, pasukin na sila.
Sige po. First applicant.
So, what do you know about this company?
The only thing I know about this company is that it is a marketing corporation owned by Mr. Elisis.
Okay, Miss Kumbala, sir. We'll just go.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi. What can you contribute to this company?
A lot, ma'am.
Like what?
A lot, ma'am.
Like what, Miss?
A lot. I can contribute a lot.
Rhoda, next applicant, please. Hey, we will just call you. Rhoda, next applicant.
Yes, ma'am.
Tawag mo na yung next applicant.
Second long, ma'am.
Are you the best person for this job?
Yes, ma'am, I'm the best. Actually, I'm a minor cum laude in our university. I even have my masteral in Ateneo de Manila. I'm also a marketing professor in Polytechnic University of the Philippines, and I'm a part-time employee of the University of Santa Tomas.
Mr. Sandoval, I'm not asking for your achievements. I'm asking if you're the best person for this job. We will just call you.
Thank you. Good morning, ma'am.
So, what were your expectations for the job and what is
Of course, ma'am, I'm expecting that my job will be, yung mag-fit po sa personality ko, sa abilities ko. And syempre, para po makatulong sa company to gain more profit.
So, tell me why you want to work here.
Of course, ma'am, sino po ba namang hindi magkakagusto magtrabaho dito? Pagka-sure company, stable, malaki, and may credibility.
How long do you expect to work here in this company?
As long as you want it po, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Lakuna, we will just go.
Thank you, ma'am. Ay, nako. Maghanap ng trabaho. Kailangan ko pang patunayan yung sarili ko sa kanila. Ikaw ko na, suko na ako. Don't lose hope, Andre. Kaya mo yan. Hello? Talaga po? Sige po, sige po. Yes, may trabaho na ako. Ay.
Nice to meet you. Thanks, sir. I'm Mr. Madhav. I am the marketing manager of this company. And you are the new marketing consultant, right?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Okay, from now on, you will work for me.
Rhoda!
Yes, sir.
Rhoda, please inform Mr. Andre about the information and places of this company. And make sure that you will orient him from our rules and regulation.
Okay po, sir.
Thank you.
Come on, sir.
Sir, you will expect something from me.
Thank you.
Come on, Mr. Lakayan. So, with the whole family.
Good afternoon, Mr. and Miss Gonzalez. Good afternoon. So, I guess, the sir, here's the copy of my plan. Take time to look at it. Very impressive. Of course.
Nagtrabaho ako ng mabuti. Pinanggalagaan ko ang tiwala ng aking HR manager, ng aking manager, ang aking magulang, at ang aking konsensya. Inilagay ko sa ayos ang aking buhay. Kaya ngayon,
Ay, ako lang tayo. Hindi pare. Uy! Pare, ang aga mo ah. Ano yan? Termination letter na yan. Hindi nga. Ano? Ito na promotion pre. Una pre. Ano to? Promoted na agad siya? 6 months pa lang dito yan ah. Nasaan pa tayo? 6 months of service. Tapos na 6 years.
Oo.
Nasaan pa tayo?
Dahil sa husay at dedicated niya sa trabaho, his performance made it on top.
Hindi lang top 8. Akala ko nung high school staff
Nico.
Oh, Nico.
No argument, no more question. You may go out.
Hindi, mas hirap pagka mga manager mo, Sir Joe.
Okay, Andre. Sir, research for our company. Now you are promoted to a marketing manager. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Andre. Sir Andre pala. Di ko kaya really successful ka.
Thank you.
And I'm glad that you're just positive and happiness. Congrats.
Thank you.
Ang nagdaan, isinisigaw ang 125 na dagdag na sahod across the board nationwide. Subalit hanggang sa kasalukuyan, hanggang sa maluklok si Noynoy Aquino, hindi pa rin ito ipinapatupad ng dagdag na sahod o 125 na dagdag na sahod across the board nationwide sa hanay ng mga manggagawa. At nararapat lamang itong ibigay sa hanay ng mga manggagawa dahil sa patuloy na pagtaas ng mga pangunahing bilihin o kaya nararapat lamang.
Sir Andre, may galing sa labas.
Why? What's the problem?
They demand higher benefits for their family. Nagkakaibigan po ng benefits sa production department.
If not so, you better talk to Miss Manalo. And ask her the data of production department employees. I will better make a few notes.
nag-aralan ko ang mga data. Pinuntahan ko ang workers at napag-alaman ko na ang production supervisor pala ang may sala. Guess what kung sino? Si Nicolay lang naman, ang bully sa amin noon. I demote him the best way I can. I put him as a foreman of the production site, bayad sa ginawa niya. Napatakbo ko ng maayos ang kumpanya at ngayon, CEO na ako. Sa wakas, dream granted. Yun nga lang, wala na ako sa kalendaryo. Malapit na rin lumagpas sa normal na temperatura ng thermometer, pero wala pa rin ang babaeng mamahalin ko.
Visit naman to sekretary ko, nagmo-moment ako eh. Okay, let's go.